First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this early to take your decision. Your work will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames to see how the natural gas prices could behave during the next week. On Friday, natural gas prices were initially lower overnight after the GFS trended 8 warmer days for December 16 to 22 and 7 colder days for December 9 to 15. So friends here find that volatility could remain extremely higher during the upcoming week and the final trend could change from December 15. So here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. Since the formation of this bearish crossover in the mid-October, natural gas futures remained under selling pressure and tested a low at the levels of $4.751 during the third week of October before testing a high at the levels of 7.606. Natural gas futures have seen heavy selling pressure as the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of 7.414 after testing a high at the levels of 7.606 during the third week of November and formed an exhaustive candle during the last week that resulted in some more downward move during the last week when the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of 5.331 for where a sharp reversal was seen, and finally the natural gas futures ended the week well above the 9 days moving average, which confirms some more upside during the upcoming week. So here I find that a slight change in put-call ratio from 1.982 to 1.34 on Friday looks evident enough for showing a little change in bearish sentiments, whereas the put-call ratio is still in favor of bears. So here I find that every upward move will be sold during the upcoming week. Undoubtedly, we could find an upward move during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week well above the immediate resistance at the levels of 6.373, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the first resistance can be seen at the levels of 6.501 and the second resistance will be at the levels of 6.827, and here a breakout well above this second resistance could push the natural gas futures to test the next resistance at the levels of 7.091, and the third resistance can be seen once again at the levels of 7.214, and here I find that a sharp sell-off could be seen if the natural gas futures are not able to sustain well above the 18 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 7.084, and on the low side I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week with a gap down opening well below the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 6.136, we'll see a sharp sell-off to continue, where the natural gas futures could find immediate support at the levels of 6.136 and the next support can be seen at the levels of 6.048 and the third at the levels of 5.254 for where once again we could find a sharp reversal during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the volatility could surge during the upcoming week as the changing weather looks evident enough in favor of bulls, but undoubtedly there could be a steep surge in production of dry natural gas could continue selling pressure in natural gas prices, where the natural gas futures could find a breakdown significant support at the levels of 8.254, and here a breakdown could once again push the natural gas futures to test the major support at the levels of 4.751 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, here be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. So friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have seen the formation of a bearish crossover in a daily time frame when the 9 days moving average has turned downward well below the 18 days moving average, and the natural gas futures find closing on last Friday well below the 9 days moving average, that confirms the continuity of exhaustion during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that if the natural futures start the upcoming week with a gap down opening well below the immediate support at the levels of the 6.048, we'll see this downward trend to continue, where my expected trading zone will be from the levels of the 6.394 on the upside, and the low side can be seen at the levels of the 5.074, from where a sharp pullback can be seen during the upcoming week. And on the other hand, if the natural futures start the upcoming week well above the immediate resistance at the levels of the 6.394, we'll see an uptrend to continue after a confirmation with a breakout well above the 18 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of the 6.489, and here a sustained move by natural gas futures will keep this uptrend intact, where the natural gas futures could find next resistance at the levels of the 7.091, and the third resistance can be seen at the levels of the 7.214, and the fourth resistance will be at the levels of the 7.414. So friends, here I find that this could be a significant resistance, and here only a sustainable well above this level could keep this uptrend intact. Otherwise, heavy selling spree could start from here. That could push the natural futures to test the levels of the 6 once again, as the volatility could remain extremely higher during the upcoming week. But the overall trend looks quite bullish, as the changing weather condition could keep this uptrend intact after December 16. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, the natural futures could remain under some selling pressure, as the warmer weather could keep this trend bearish. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.